I'm seeing her. You guys seeing her there. I feel like a Power Ranger with this.
Power Ranger.
You remember her?
Hi.
If you don't, check this video right there, finding angles. So we're gonna do the same thing here because it's a little tight area. I'm gonna use the A9 with the 35 Zeiss. Switch it up a bit. She wants to capture some lifestyle, editorial slash.
Artist at work. I'm an artist.
What is it that we're doing exactly?
So we're doing like a little personal branding type lifestyle shoot. I call it an artist at work. So we got some painting stuff going on. We got a little camera so I could check my photos that I did not take, but pretend that I did. So yeah, that's it. Got a little wine because no artist does a good job without wine. I mean, I don't work good without wine, you know?
Oh boy.
Just kidding. I'm sober. It's what? 11 a.m., 10 a.m.?
So we have actually great lighting here, but I'm gonna still use off-camera flash to give it like a natural fill on some areas. So if I just want natural, the flashlight, the speed light or the 8200, I'm gonna just call it that. I don't know what to call it, mini strobe, there we go. Use the mini strobe to take over, but I'm gonna mix it with the ambient. You guys are gonna be all over the place just to get different angles. Enjoy the view. This view.
Let's get it.
All right, look at me real quick. Stay looking at me. See. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference. I put those little samples there so you guys can check them out, but without,
cool.
with.
Oh yeah, it looks good with.
Yeah, you awesome. Maybe have it subtle because it's.
Are you gonna do that angle? I wanna top.
No, we're just testing the lay.
Oh, okay.
That's what I said. Because I wanted to limit myself with just one lens. Because I know a lot of photographers can only have one lens and they have to, you know, gotta show them that you can work with it. Make it work.
This shoot is also Maudie teaching me about photography. You want me to cheat towards you?
No, I'm gonna work around you.
What are you using now?
A 35 prime lens. So it's a fixed aperture.
Prime means it's fixed, right?
Correct. Yep.
See, I know something.
Hey, I didn't say no. I said correct. For those that want to know, my power of the light is at 128, so it's at its lowest setting. My camera settings are gonna be the same, 125th, 1.4, ISO 50. I like how I said a sip, you took like a whole gulp.
Oh.
Gulp.
Oh. Oh.
You know your model's good when you don't have to tell her too much. She moves before you even get a word out.
I'm getting fancy out here, you don't even know. Y'all didn't know I was a painter too.
I'm a painter!
Guys, she's an actress, so she's a painter for the day.
I'm acting as though I'm a painter. Book me.
Yeah, do the little, like the lean-in type of painting because everything's here.
Yeah. Should I lay on my stomach or no? Is that too much? I feel like this.
Try, yeah, that's fine. That's a typical painter pose.
Huh?
That's a typical painter pose.
Yeah.
You're gonna feel like you're drinking that. It's 5 p.m. somewhere.
My clock will always say 5 p.m.
Yeah, I'm about to fight this flash. There we go. Alright, so I think for this video, I got the shots that I needed. Cause like you said, it's like a, what do you want to call it again?
Like a personal branding artist at work.
You showed the wrong side.
The finished piece. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Comment down below if her art is I mean, it's better than mine, that's for sure.
Is it a good thing I didn't go to art school, or is it a bad thing I didn't go to art school? You decide.
So yeah, guys, here's, I guess, part 2 of Finding Your Angles with Denise. Follow her. I put all her stuff in the description below.
Yes.
You enjoy this video?
I follow back. I'm nice.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is Denise. My name is Amauris, and I'm outie. Peace.
Howdy.
I just said I'm outie, and I'm outie. Peace. I'm
Howdy.
outie.
I'm howdy.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Oh well, you get it.